Hello everyone, my name is Riya Agarwal and I teach live on an Academy Plus, that is LRDI for CAT. So this is the announcement about the giveaway Amazon Echo dot question. So what happens here is this is a kind of quiz where you participate and the question will be asked at the end of the session. And similarly, there are other ongoing sessions where at the end of each session you'll find a question. If you answer most of them correctly, the one who answers most of them correctly will be eligible to win an Amazon Echo Dot. Alright, so stay tuned with the class. So I'm going to discuss today the strategy for LRDI preparation. And at the end of the session, I'll be asking a question which you can answer to participate in the giveaway. Alright, so let's get started. We are going to talk about the syllabus, the strategy and everything about LRDI. So with last very few months to go for CAT, how can you, like if you're planning to start now, how can you start now and achieve a 99 percentile? So we are going to understand that. It's very easy to achieve a 99 plus in DILR. You just need to know the right techniques and everything. So first you need to know is getting a 99 plus does not mean that you have to attempt 100% of the paper and get 90% of it correct. No, you don't have to attempt 100% of the paper. So first we'll talk about kitne marks laake, how many marks, how much marks if you get, you can end up with a 99 plus. So first thing we'll talk about that, we'll understand that, and then we will move ahead with the syllabus and strategy. Okay, so let's see. So let me talk about, since this year it's still not fixed that whether the exam is going to be a 2-hour format or a 3-hour. Therefore, I'm going to talk about both the formats. Okay? In both the formats, how much should you get to score a 99 plus? So if it is a this thing 2-hour format, okay? In the 2-hour format, if I talk about LRDI, there will be 40 minutes for this section, and there will be total 24 questions. 24 questions in the manner there will be 2 sets containing 6 questions each and 3 sets containing 4 questions. So this is what happened in 2020. In 2020, for the first time, this 2 hours pattern was implemented. So this year we don't know, like based on corona situation, this year also we might stick to 2 hours format, but then still we don't have any announcement yet. Okay, so this is what 12 and 12, 24 questions. But until 2020, like till 2019, the format used to be of 3 hours, 3-hour format. What happened under that is LRDI was 1 hour and the number of questions were 32. 32 questions, which were all in terms of 4 questions per set. So 8 into 4, 32. This is how the format used to be, 3 hours till 2019. In 2020, this was the format implemented, stating the COVID situation. Now in this year, we still have no clue. IIM Ahmedabad is setting the paper, but they haven't yet announced which format the exam is going to be. Okay? So what I would suggest is that you practice this format, because if you are practicing a 40 minutes format and you get 1 hour, it will be easier for you to switch. While if you're practicing for 1 hour and the exam becomes of 40 minutes, it will be very difficult, like most of them faced it in 2020. So don't be in the same situation. Chances are high of this format, since COVID situation is still going on, and that was the reason the format was changed. So the chances are high they will stick to this one. But still, suppose in case they flips, you will still be in an advantage if you are practicing this format. And if you are practicing this one, you might be in danger, because later if it becomes 2 hours, it will be very difficult to move from 1 hour practice to 40 minutes. So keep that in mind. I am not commenting. I don't know which format it is going to be. I also have as much news as you. So we'll have to wait and check that out. All right. Now 24 questions are there. Suppose, how many will you have to do to get a 99 plus? A 99 plus percentile. Do you know only 12 of them might be enough? Only 12 questions correctly attempted might be just enough. Okay? In fact, this is much only. ये मैं ज़्यादा बता रही हूँ. Like if you do this, you are not on the borderline. So this year 2020, even I wrote the paper, CAT 2020. I had slot 2 and my score was 12 correct out of 13. 12 correct out of 13 attempted. So I got 12 into 3, 36 marks, and minus 1 for one wrong answer. That is 35. And with that 35, this was my raw score. My scaled score went up to 39 point something because this paper was tough compared to slot 1. Therefore, the score went a little up after, scaling it. And at this, I got the percentile as 99.59, which is very high than 99 plus. है ना, मतलब 99 plus होने का मतलब क्या है? 99.01 भी 99 plus ही है. बट 99.59 एंड 99.01 के बीच में बहुत सारे मार्क्स का डिफरेंस होता है, लाइक बहुत सारे मार्क्स. सो आफ्टर यू रीच 99, इट्स डिफिकल्ट इनसाइड टू get this points increased. So anyways, our target is to reach a 99 plus, and that can be easily reached by getting 12 correct answers, half the paper correct. If you do 50% correct, you can easily reach a 99 plus. Clear? Okay, let's talk more. What happens in case of a 3-hour format? So for that also, I'll give you an example of my personal experience in this thing. In CAT 2018, I had got how much? 19 out of 20 correct. So there are 32 questions. I had attempted 20 and got 19 correct. I have attempted 20 यानी कि मैंने total 5 sets attempt करा था, and I got 1 wrong, so I got 19 correct. And with that, I ended up with a score of how much? 19 into 3, that is 57, minus 1, 56. And with that, my percentile was again 99.59 that year. It was the same. Okay, so this is how it is. You don't have to attempt much. 12 out of 13 here, 99.59. So please see and understand this. मतलब 24 में से only 12-13 questions attempt करने हैं. It's not such a big deal. Anybody can do it. You can start now and do it. It's not difficult. अगर कोई एक particular topic आपको difficult लगता है, उसको छोड़ दो, है ना. So if you have so much option, you only have to attempt around 50-60% of the paper. Let's fix it at 60 to be on a safer side. ठीक है? So let's fix it at 60%. Your target would be, you won't know in the exam if the paper is tough or easy. So depending on that also, this varies a little, है ना. Like since my paper was tough, with only 12 attempts out of 13, I got a 99.59. But if suppose it was easy, maybe I would have required 14 to get so. ठीक है, उतना डिफरेंस हो जाता है. सो ईजी टफ वही, जस्ट टू नॉट टू बी ऑन बॉर्डर लाइन. आपको नहीं पता कि पेपर ईजी होगा कि टफ होगा. वाइल यू आर राइटिंग द पेपर, यू वुडंट नो दैट. सो देयरफॉर कीप योर टारगेट एज 60%. 12 is what? 50% of 24, but keep your target as 60%. 60% of 24 will be what? Some 15 questions. So if you do 15, if you get 13 or 14 correct, definitely you are crossing a 99 percentile. So that's your target. Your target is doing 15 questions. So if you do one set of this one, 6, 4, 4, you can do that. Or 2 sets of 6 and 1 of 4. Or you can go for partial attempts, whatever. ठीक है? इसमें भी अगर ये वाला format आ जाता है, you have to try and do 5 sets, 20 questions. That should be your target, and that is more than enough. More than sufficient to cross 99. ठीक है, जो मैंने आपको बता रहे हैं, ये जो मैं आपको ये बता रही हूँ लिमिट, उसमें आप 99 क्रॉस क्या अच्छे से क्रॉस कर पाओगे. ठीक है, 99.5 भी क्रॉस हो जाएगा. प्लस इट विल हेल्प यू बूस्ट योर ओवरऑल, विच विल अगेन हेल्प यू. If you have a overall good score, again overall percentile will be good. है ना? So those are the things. Now let's go back and talk about the syllabus and everything. How we can achieve that. Now let's talk about that part. है ना? What we have to achieve, that we have seen already. Okay. So most important thing is planning the process. You have to have a plan. If you are planning for a 99 plus, it is no joke. It's very easy if you plan it. But if you have no guidance, no process, no plan, no practice, you cannot end up with that. ठीक है, आप कितना भी हाथ पाँव मार लो. Therefore, you will need to have a proper guidance, you will need to have a proper plan, and you will need to practice a lot. ठीक है? So let's talk about this. What is planning the process? So it is about figuring out your strengths and weaknesses in different sections and topics. ठीक है. So under LRDI, the whatever topics are there, whatever syllabus is there, you need to figure out which all are your strong topics, which all are your weak topics. So whichever is your strong topic, you can work more on that, and taki definitely if you get a question on it, you are able to solve. Whichever is your weak topic, you have to try and bring that at least to average, so that if you get a easy question from that topic, you are at least able to do that. Okay. Next thing is knowing your syllabus well. So this is one very problematic thing. If you Google the syllabus of LRDI, you will get n number of syllabus. It's different everywhere. Everybody have put up their own syllabus of CAT. It is because it's vast, and it keeps on changing over the year. Every year they keep on giving some new questions. So a new syllabus, new topic keeps on adding, and the old ones are still there. So that's why the syllabus is vast, and it's difficult to tell which are the important topics. But still here below I have devised for you the syllabus based on the last 5-6 years data. Okay, I have been writing CAT for last 5 years. I started from 2016. So I have a proper idea of I'm updated with the syllabus and everything. Like the recent LRDI, I am well equipped with that. So based on that, I have devised a syllabus copy. I'll soon be sharing that with you. Okay, so plan out your entire preparation strategy and time you're going to invest. Have a clarity on when, what, and how. That's very important, so that you don't waste unnecessary time. And some people will be like, I'm studying 18 hours a day. So please don't do that. You don't need to study 18 hours a day to crack CAT. Okay, you can do it in just 6 hours if you are planning that 6 hours well. Okay, decide if you need help, classes, coaching, or self prep is enough. You need to decide that, because if you need help, you need to get it, so that you can clear you're planning for one of the biggest institutes. You're planning for IIM while you're preparing for CAT. So even when we were in school, we used to take tuition, some of us. And now it's such a big exam. Nobody knows what is going to come. Nobody knows what is the proper syllabus. Nobody knows what to do. Everything is so new for everyone. It's good if you have a guide. It's good if you have a guide to guide you throughout your preparation. So if you need any help or classes, coaching, again, think if you need it, and you can reach out. So for LRDI, at least you can reach me out. You can join this Telegram channel on Unacademy CAT channel on Telegram. You have to just type Unacademy CAT without space. You will find my DP on the group. So you can join that to get help on LRDI. Okay. Now step-wise plan. Let's see what it can be. So see, now this was the plan. This is the plan for someone who started preparing a few months back. For them, I would say finish one round of syllabus in the first 2 to 2.5 months. But for someone starting now, if you take so much time, if you take 2 to 2.5 months to finish the syllabus, when will you write mocks? Okay, so this is not the proper plan. So what to do? You need to finish this in 2 to 2.5 weeks now. If you are starting now, you have to finish this in 2 to 2.5 weeks. How are you going to do that? Is it possible to finish one round of syllabus in 2 to 2.5 weeks? Yes, it is. It is. So I'll help you with that again. How? Here. Wrong page. Okay. It's here. It's here. You can see complete LRDI for CAT 2021. So you see here syllabus, strategy, arrangement puzzles, reasoning puzzles, quantitative reasoning, games and tournament, Venn diagram. These are all the main topics of logical reasoning that I have covered in several classes in detail. ठीक है, the Venn diagram के अंदर 2, 3 variable, 4 variable, new pattern, everything have been covered. Games and tournament, theory, sets, new type, quantitative reasoning. There are 5 classes because it is a very, very important topic recently. Okay, then you also have classes on DI. So from here there are total 30 hours of classes. These are total 30 classes. Okay, all 30 hours of classes. I think it should take you 2.5 weeks to finish it. And if you go through this, one round of your syllabus will be done. And going through does not mean that you have to sit and watch these classes. You need to solve along with the classes. So whenever in the class a set is given, you need to pause the class and solve the set and then proceed. Okay, so you have to use the classes in that way to learn better. Okay, Now, those who are new to Unacademy, like if you have never downloaded the app, you can download it now. And if you are new, you will not be allowed to access these free classes. So you will need an unlock code to unlock the sessions before you can watch it. It will be required just for the first time after you sign up. So you can check it here. Unlock code is RIA Live, RIYALIVE. You can use this to unlock the classes, and then you can take advantage of all the free stuff that's available on Unacademy. Okay, there are free tests, there are free classes, and everything you can find. You can join free live classes, quizzes, you can solve mocks every week. Everything is there. Okay, so finish this, and after this what to do, or side by side what you can do, side by side you can join the practice classes. For practice classes, again you can find the links here, classes LRDI practice. Okay, here you can find the link. I'll be adding them. And apart from this, let's check this file again. I have added some points here as well for beginners as well as for those who began early. Okay, so we'll talk about this also. See here. So note for beginners, if you are starting right now, you can still target a 99 plus provided you do it the right way. Step 1 is there are no theories or formulas in LRDI, so don't worry about the basics. Covering the above classes would be enough to get started. Okay, try to finish all in weeks time or 2 weeks. It's already late. Step 2 is once done with step 1, all you need to get 19 percentile is practice with consistency and dedication. Practice doesn't mean sitting with a few LRDI sets for hours, cause the challenge is not just about doing the sets but doing them in a limited time. Okay, so therefore you can like sit with few sets for a limited time. Like on an average you should try and take 10 minutes per set. Okay, that should be your agenda. Or you can join me. I take 2 free live classes every day, 2 free live practice classes every day, where the sets that are provided in those classes you cannot find it anywhere. No books, nowhere else, not on the internet, and you cannot find those sets anywhere. So I have curated that over 4 years. I have been teaching for 4 years on Unacademy. So tab se I have collected all the sets and everything properly. I've arranged them, and then I take them in these 2 free classes, and these classes will go on till CAT, and we are going to cover almost 500 to 700 sets in those 2 free classes till CAT every day. Okay, so you can even join those classes, and those are like self-practice classes only, because I give you the set, I wait for some time, you solve the set, and then we discuss with the poll. So it's like a self-practice. If you are attending those 2 free classes, you don't even have to practice on your own. आप LRDI बिल्कुल exclude कर सकते हो. You can focus on the other 2 sections and only attend these 2 classes. More than enough. Okay, so I'll be helping you like that with the classes. Most of them who are already attending regularly are benefiting already. So you can start them. Again, to get more details about the classes, you can refer to the Telegram group. Okay? There every day morning schedule is sent. Okay? Step 3 is past year questions, and they form a great source. So to understand the level of the question that's going to be there, CAT level है ना, basically CAT level जो हम बोलते रहते हैं, उसको proper समझने के लिए you need to use the past year questions. Also to understand the pattern, and that gives you the exact idea of the CAT level. Old PYQs, that is from 1994 to 2008, these are the ones available. These are also very important as the new ones. Why? Because this year IIM Ahmedabad is setting the paper after 6-7 years. IIM Ahmedabad had set the paper last in 2015, and उसके बाद ही LRDI का जो pattern है वो काफ़ी change हो गया. जो type of questions है, जो difficulty level है. In fact, LRDI became a section of its own in 2015 only. So उसके बाद जो 6 papers set हुए हैं, those were like really difficult from what used to come in the past era. But we don't know if IIM Ahmedabad this year is going to stick with the new pattern or it is going to go back to the old pattern. We have no clue. Therefore, we are going to work on both of them, old and new. Okay, you can find all the past year CAT sets here. So once you get the PDF, if you click on this link, this thing, it will open. Okay, I'll tell you how to get the PDF. Don't worry. Okay, next thing is books and material. So books and material, I don't recommend any, because as you know, the books are not updated. As I'm telling you, last 4-5 years the pattern have changed a lot, and the books are not as updated. They do not have the new pattern questions, plus there are a lot of mistakes. है ना. So you can read this and figure out. I'm not going to read this here. You can find some free materials again in my drive. So I'll show you how to get them. And for those who began early, you need to do is, I hope you're done with the syllabus and PYQs by now. If not, you have to follow the above. And if done, you need to take minimum 1 sectional mock per week. I would recommend 2. ठीक है, मैंने minimum 1 लिखा है, but 2 लोगे तो अच्छा होगा minimum. ठीक है, and practice regularly. Analyze the mocks and try to work on topics you are facing difficulty in throughout the week. Try attempting different strategies in mocks to check what works best for you. In the first half of the mock, try to pick sets from your comfortable topic so that you are able to do it and gain confidence for the remaining half of the paper. This should be your strategy. कि first half, like अगर 40 minutes का LRDI section है, in 20 minutes you should try and get at least 1 or 2 sets correct so that you get that boost, है ना, you get that confidence कि yeah, now I can do. And अगर आप first में spoil कर लोगे, if suppose your 10-15 minutes in the start is wasted, you will see that you will get disturbed for the remaining of your paper. You will panic, है ना, and your entire 40 minutes will be wasted just like that. So don't do that, है ना. Mocks, use mocks to practice those things. Use mocks to practice those situations. कि अगर suppose मेरे starting के 10 minutes waste भी हो जाते हैं तो मैं कैसे अपना काम maintain करके बाकी half an hour focus कर सकूँ. So those things you have to work on using mocks. Mocks are not just for checking, oh हमने सारा पढ़ाई कर लिया, अब mocks दे रहे हैं तो marks नहीं आ रहे. Don't run behind the score. Run behind the strategy, experiment, figure out the right strategy for you, learn how to pick sets, है ना, learn how to improve accuracy, attempts. वो सब पे work करोगे, automatically the score will go up. You don't have to worry about the score at all, है ना. So those are the things. To get different results, you need to do things differently. Do not follow the trend. Okay, if you want to be in the top 1%, you need to do things differently. Otherwise, everybody would have been there. है ना, 99% को आपको बीट करना है. 99% लोग कैसे सोच रहे हैं उसको आपको बीट करना है. पर आप वो ही फॉलो करोगे जो वो 99% लोग फॉलो कर रहे हैं, तो आप कैसे 1% में आओगे ये बताओ मुझे, राइट. सो डू नॉट फॉलो द ट्रेंड, एंड टू गेट बेटर रिजल्ट, टू गेट डिफरेंट रिजल्ट, you need to do a few things differently. It's not about studying 18 hours a day. It's not. Someone with 6 hours can do better than you, because this exam is about the mind. It's if you are studying 18 hours, you're reducing your mind's efficiency. It's not helping you out in any way. Okay? And if you have any problem, you can, like, if you think you need classes, you cannot do it on your own. In that case, you can reach me out. This is my Telegram ID, Riya Agarwal without space. And if you're planning to get Unacademy Plus, you can again use the same as my code to get personal guidance from my end. Okay, that's the thing. Now let's go back and थोड़ा और syllabus वगैरह देख लेते हैं. So past year questions, I already told you, mocks. You have to start mock quick. Even if you're beginning now, I told you 2 हफ्ते में syllabus खत्म करो using this 18 classes. है ना? Using this 30 classes, finish the syllabus quickly in 1 or 2 weeks. And attend practice classes regularly. After 2-3 weeks, you can start writing mocks. Okay? Mocks and other rounds of preparation will go in hand in hand. Okay, let's talk about the syllabus. So this is the main logical reasoning syllabus, the main syllabus. Okay? In last 4, 5, 6 years, if you check, these are the topics that have been seen the most. Okay. So first topic is sitting arrangement, the chances of which is low because it haven't appeared till now, but who knows, it appears this year. Okay. Next is matching puzzle, the chances of which is very high. At least one puzzle set we find every year in the paper. Okay. Next is number based puzzles or quantitative reasoning, the chances of which is again very high. And you will see at least 1 or 2 or even more questions in the paper on this topic. Next is games and tournament. I'll say the chances is high, but it's like 50-50. Suppose there are 2 slots of CAT. In one slot they will give games and tournament, in another they will give Venn diagram. ऐसा कुछ, ठीक है. ज़रूरी नहीं है दोनों, या फिर हो सकता है दोनों हो, या फिर दोनों ही ना हो, मतलब कुछ भी हो सकता है. Chances high, but it's kind of 50-50. But still again you will have to cover these, है ना. ये 2 तो अच्छे से करना ही करना है और ये भी करना है. So these are the only 5 topics that you need to do. Next is data interpretation. उसमें भी ये 6 ही topics, 5 ही topics है main. Data table, bar graph, pie chart, line graph, data caselet. I have written low in front of this. Why? बिकॉज इस पे सिंगल क्वेश्चन आने के चांसेस आर वेरी लो, कि एक सिर्फ डेटा टेबल पे क्वेश्चन आ गया कैलकुलेटिव, या फिर एक सिर्फ बार चार्ट पे क्वेश्चन आ गया कैलकुलेटिव, वो बहुत ही लो है, इसीलिए हैव रिटन लो. एंड देन वी हैव कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ ग्राफ्स, मतलब इन 2-4 ग्राफ्स को मिला के जब क्वेश्चन आता है तो उसके चांसेस बहुत हाई है, कि एक टेबल भी दे दिया, बार ग्राफ भी दे दिया, लाइक दैट. ठीक है, सो चांसेस ऑफ दोज आर वेरी हाई. नाउ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ ग्राफ्स कैन बी 2 टाइप्स. वन कैन बी कैलकुलेशन बेस्ड and other can be logic based. So the logic based questions are called logical DI. Logic based का क्या मतलब है? मतलब कि data is given in DI form, maybe a table or a graph, but when you go ahead to solve it, it might be a puzzle. हो सकता है आपको मैचिंग करनी है, तो उस टाइप के क्वेश्चन को हम लॉजिकल DI बोलते हैं, और वो भी काफ़ी देखे गए हैं अभी लास्ट 2-3 साल में. ठीक है, so we are having like lot of logical DI questions in last 1 or 2-3 years. Therefore the chances of this is also very high. Next, there can be some miscellaneous or fancy data sets, like in 2019 there was this radar chart or spider chart. तो ऐसा कुछ नया कॉन्सेप्ट का वो दे सकते हैं. So if you are like, if you know how to read data, you'll be able to read it. Like it's a normal set. अगर दे भी दिया तो कोई खास बात नहीं है. Everybody should be able to do that. Again, chances of that is also high. ठीक है. And there are some other reasoning topics. The chances of appearance in CAT is very low for which topics? These are actually topics for your other MBA entrance exams. Apart from CAT, there are 10-12 other exams that you write. उसमें ये सब आपको पढ़ना होगा. Blood relation, direction, binary logic, syllogism, sequential input-output, cubes and dices, clocks and calendars, coding, decoding, crypto-arithmetic, network and rules, data sufficiency, decision making. So these will be like for other MBA entrance exams, and later I'll help you with these also. For now, let's focus on CAT. ठीक है. अच्छा, source वगैरह I already told you. I've already shown it. I'll show you now that where can you get this things from, है ना? Where can you get this PDF from and all the other sources, the practice material, practice classes, है ना? Materials, LR practice, daily sets. So how can you get all these? For this, you have to go to your browser, you know, your Google browser or any browser. There, where you write the link, you have to type bit.ly/CAT in capital, FRE capital, HELP capital, CAT free help. You have to type that without space. ठीक है, bit.ly/CAT free help in capital. You have to type this link as it is for it to open. अगर आपने एक P भी small कर दिया, ये लिंक नहीं खुलेगा. So you have to write it as it is, जैसे मैंने लिखा है, bit.ly/CAT free help and press enter. Once you do that, the same drive will open for you. So anybody with this link can open the drive. ठीक है. So here you can find this PDF that I showed you, the complete LRDI PDF, this one. Then you can join the Telegram group from here. You have to just click on this to join the group. ठीक है, it will take you to Telegram. See, it's taking you to Telegram. All right. Next, if you are new to Unacademy, you can like find the links here to download the app or go to the website, and then you will have to use unlock code RIA Live to access the free classes. ठीक है, so that is about this. उसके बाद there are 2 forms. ठीक है, वन इज़ फॉर डेली सेल्फ स्टडी. वन फॉर्म यू कैन मेंटेन फॉर डेली सेल्फ स्टडी. आज हमने क्या किया, कितने सेट्स किए, क्या हुआ. तो इससे क्या होगा, यू कैन कीप योर सेल्फ मोटिवेटेड. यू कैन बी इन अ कॉम्पिटिशन विथ योर सेल्फ बाय मेंटेनिंग दिस फॉर्म. आई विल जस्ट शो यू वंस. दिस इज समथिंग ऑफ दिस काइंड. डेट यू विल राइट डाउन, हाउ मच रीडिंग डिड यू डू, RC कितना किया, वर्बल एबिलिटी कितना किया, VARC के क्लासेस किए कि नहीं, सेल्फ प्रेप में मतलब क्वांट में सेल्फ प्रेप में क्या किया, क्लास में क्या किया, LRDI ऐसा. ठीक है. सो इससे क्या होगा कि यू विल बी एबल टू मेंटेन एवरी डे, बिकॉज यू नीड टू टच ऑल द 3 सेक्शंस ऑन डेली बेसिस इन ऑर्डर टू क्रैक CAT. ठीक है, विथ वन ऑफ द सेक्शंस गुड एंड वन वेरी बैड, यू कैन नॉट क्रैक इट, बिकॉज देर इज ऑल्सो सेक्शनल कट ऑफ, एंड यू नीड टू ट्राई एंड कीप द सेक्शनल कट ऑफ एज अबव 85. तो उसके लिए आपको तीनों में एवरेज तो होना ही होगा और एक में बहुत अच्छा होना होगा. तो वो देख लो. इसीलिए प्लीज़ एवरी डे यू हैव टू टच ऑल 3 सेक्शंस एंड यू कैन मेंटेन दैट हियर. दिस विल गिव यू अ बूस्ट. लाइक एवरी डे यू विल बी मोटिवेटेड कि हाँ हमने इतना किया था, अभी ये करते हैं, वो करते हैं. वर्बल एबिलिटी रोज़ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. RC रोज़ करो, मिनिमम 2, मैक्सिमम 3, 2-3 ऐसे रोज़ करो. रीडिंग करो 15-20 मिनट, 25 मिनट डेली. ठीक है. क्लासेस अगर आपको ज़रूरत है, लाइक RC टेक्निक की क्लासेस चाहिए, PJ सॉल्विंग, SC सॉल्विंग, तो ही क्लासेस देखो. अदरवाइज क्लास में RC सॉल्व करके कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है. नेक्स्ट इज क्वांट में अगेन सेल्फ प्रेप में यू कैन गो फॉर रैंडम क्वेश्चंस, मिसलेनियस क्वेश्चंस, है ना, एंड classes if you want you can attend. LRDI again you can do some self practice if you want, or you can use these practice classes itself as self practice. ठीक है. Similarly you have another form which you can use for mock analysis. Then there are past year questions, complete LRDI basics, LRDI practice, daily sets for all sections, LR practice sets. If you see this, सारे अच्छे sets यहाँ पे ऐड किए गए हैं. Venn diagram, sitting arrangement, quantitative, logical reasoning, games and tournament, क्वान्टिटेटिव रीजनिंग, सबके अच्छे वाले सेट्स यहाँ पे आपको मिल जाएंगे. ठीक है. सो दैट्स अबाउट इट. फॉर मोर हेल्प यू कैन जॉइन माई टेलीग्राम ग्रुप, जॉइन माई लाइव क्लासेस. आई एम ट्राइंग टू हेल्प एज मच एज पॉसिबल. You know, those who are joining the live classes regularly are seeing the difference. You can come to the class and figure that out. ठीक है. So that's about it. Let's go back to this page. Okay, I would like to show you something. Where is it? Source I have given you already. Now some tips and scorecards from the CAT 2020 aspirants. Okay, so that you can get an idea. And you can see this. You need to be good in all 3 sections or above, or average in 1 and best in 2 others to clear CAT, because sectional cutoff is also there. So this is a message, actually this is a thing from some one who got a 99.8 percentile in 2020. So he have written something here very nice that I keep telling you from time to time about CAT prep. And you take CAT prep as I don't know what, but CAT prep is a journey. It's a process, and you need to enjoy the process. You don't need to overburden yourself. You have to enjoy the process. You have to learn, and automatically the score will come out. So very nicely this guy have put up the thing, so I have put this message here. You can check it out. Next I'll show you some scorecards. So you can see here, with only 34 score out of 78, I guess 78 में से 34, 96.56 percentile. 38 out of again 72, 99.46 percentile. 49.92, 99.6 percentile. क्वांट में थोड़ा ज़्यादा चाहिए होता है. ठीक है. क्वांट में यहाँ पे देखो देयर इज़ अ डिफरेंस ऑफ 14 मार्क्स, एंड परसेंटाइल का डिफरेंस कितना है? 0.3. आई टोल्ड यू 99 के अंदर पॉइंट्स में बढ़ना इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट. ठीक है. सो लुक एट दिस स्कोर कार्ड्स. इसका ठीक है, इसका 99.8 है ओवरऑल, एंड इन दीज 3 सेक्शंस ऑल्सो इट्स 95 अबव. ठीक है. फॉर दिस गाय यहाँ पे 89 है, बट स्टिल ही विल एंड अप विद अ गुड IIM. 99.93 है इसका. ओवरऑल इज इवन मोर देन दिस गाय. इसका ओवरऑल इज मोर देन दिस, बट दिस गाय वॉज नॉट सो गुड इन VARC में इतना अच्छा नहीं था, पर फिर भी इससे बेटर कॉलेज इसको मिल जाएगा. तो ये समझने का कोशिश करो. यहाँ से मैं आपको क्या समझा रही हूँ कि ये ख़राब है VARC में, पर इतना भी नहीं. इसने सेक्शनल कट ऑफ एटलीस्ट क्लियर कर लिया, तो कम से कम ये मेंटेन करना है. ये थर्ड वाला देखो, इसने एकदम मार्जिनली 2 सेक्शंस क्लियर किए हैं. 86.54, 85.38. ठीक है. दोनों सेक्शन एकदम मार्जिनली क्लियर किए हैं. और फिर बट देन इन दिस इट वाज नाइस. सो ओवरऑल 97.34. ठीक है. कोई ना कोई अच्छा कॉलेज इसको भी मिल जाएगा. नेक्स्ट वन 95.61, 100 एंड 98.97. ओवरऑल 99.92. ठीक है. इसका तो ये सब भी अच्छा ही है. सेक्शनल इज ऑल अबव 95 ओनली. फाइन. नेक्स्ट वन you see, for this one, even though the overall is 96, there will be no calls from IIM. Why? Sectional is only 70. ठीक है. I hope you have got my point. It's not about just one section or one thing or one question. Don't be behind just one question and waste your time. Utilize your time well. Plan your preparation well. Last few months are left, and this is the only time that you can excel. It's possible even if you start now, but you just need to know जैसे proper syllabus अभी जो मैंने बताया, you need to know all of this properly, and then you need to have a proper guide, है ना. So I think for LRDI you can choose me. I'll prove worthy enough. All right, so you can also check out this interview with Sohini Datta on YouTube. You can find it, है ना. So she was my like student last year, and with only 95 points some percentile, she have converted 10 IIMs. Like not just got calls from 10, have converted, interview convert किया है उसने. ठीक है, so you can definitely check out that video. Now that's it, get the juices flowing and happy learning. I'll upload your eco question right now. Check that, keep answering below, and the one with most answers will win eco. Okay, the one with most answers will win an Amazon Echo Dot. It's a giveaway question. Here it is. So this is the one. You can read this, answer the question in the comments below. All right, that's it. I'll see you in the next class.